Hi, I'm Sean with Hampton Marine Solutions. This is another product unboxing video. This today is going to be the Blue Sea cable clam. This is the .68 size. This is offered in a variety of sizes, and this is also the stainless steel dress version. This is offered just in the plastic piece, but then it is also offered with a stainless steel dress cap. So let's get into this. When you open up your packaging, you will have the plastic packaging it came in, cardboard, this can all be discarded. You will have your base piece. This is what screws down to the T-top, to the side, wherever you are mounting this cable clam. There is a gasket that goes underneath of this. This is screwed down to the deck with the included hardware or using your own flathead tapping screws. After you've put down your base piece and this is screwed down, you've drilled your hole through the middle and you run your wiring through, do not forget to run your wire through your dress cap and your plastic fixing cap. Once you run the wire through these two, they can be put off to the side, and then you will select your grommet size. This is .68, and there is a smaller one in this kit. I don't remember the exact size. I believe it's .48 or 3/8. And then there's also a blank one that you can drill to your own size. Or if you had to cover a hole, you could use one of these to cover a hole if you had to. Once you have your grommet size picked, you will bring this piece down the cable that you have. The grommet will snaps around the cable. And then you have the grommet is tapered, so pay attention to the taper on the grommet. Skinny side up goes into the cable seal, and then you will use the included machine screws in there to fasten this down to the base piece. Once this fastens real tight against the base piece, everything is watertight there. This is all compressed together, leaving a nice waterproof seal. Now, if you had the stainless steel dress cap version, make sure you had put this on your wire before, and then you slide this down, and then this just snaps on there all together. And then that leaves you with a nice stainless steel finished piece. We use these on local installations for our VHF antennas and any GPS antennas or any kind of wire that comes through the T-top and doesn't run surface mounted directly into an antenna. This is the stainless version we use to dress that up. Again, this is offered in various sizes. The .68 version works very well with VHF and GPS antennas, and but they do offer them all the ways up into radar-sized cables for older style radars. Nowadays, it would be your Ethernet cables, which would fit in this .68 cable as well, too. I'm Sean from Hampton Marine Solutions, and this was another product unboxing video.